Attack. To try to harm someone or something. Example: the lion attacked its prey. Include. To make something part of a group or whole. Example: don't forget to include me in the group project. Repeat. To say or do something again. Example: can you repeat the question? I didn't hear it. Protect. To keep something safe. Example: we wear helmets to protect our heads. Follow. To move behind someone or do what they say. Example: always follow the rules for safety. Careless. Not paying attention or being cautious. Example: he was careless and spilled coffee on his laptop. Worry. To feel anxious or concerned. Example: don't worry about the test, you'll do great. Boring. Not interesting or exciting. Example: the lecture was so boring that I almost fell asleep. Famous. Looks known by many people. Example: she became famous after her song went viral. Complain. To express unhappiness about something. Example: the customer complained about the cold food. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.